The way that I like to learn is through a mix of theory and practical, and I was able to do that by coming to this course.
All of the lecturers have different styles, so some of them will use more practical things and some of them are more theory based.
Because they're so immersed in what they know and what they're teaching, it makes you want to learn more and it makes you want to do the extra reading behind it and stuff, so it's really good.
They're all really, really nice and really supportive. They really do mean it when they say you can contact them 24/7. When I've been studying for my dissertation, I've found it quite hard, but knowing that I've had tutors there to support me and that will respond to me at all times, and even just to sort of give me a kick up the backside and keep me going, it really does help. You can tell the way that they teach, they're so passionate about their topics, and because they're still practicing in the field too, they're not just reading sort of textbook answers, they're really informing you with their own practice, and it is just a passion, and then that then spills out onto the students.